Door to gain access here to the passenger. Versus flight remain what we call a hot load. Hot load is when the helicopter doesn't shut down because of the seriousness of the accident and getting that golden hour. So they never shut the bird down, they just idle it down. They load the patient, and they'll be taken off. As I mentioned before, you'll be taken off going to ECMC most likely.
Emergency flight 7 is in the air at 14:15.
Probably have a 25-minute ETA to ECMC. Again, we've used up that golden hour just getting the patient cut out, getting them loaded. You know, at this time there may be family, like we saw the one mother here, trying to find out what happened, trying to understand why her daughter's life was cut short. There's other family members that are confused, being woken up at 3 o'clock in the morning, saying your son or daughter's been in this serious accident. You just saw the police leave. The police may go to these individuals' homes, knock on their door, and give that dreaded news. I've been there before when someone has found out their loved one, a child, son or daughter, didn't survive, was killed, and you couldn't believe the emotional effect it has on the family. The emotional effect it has on our volunteers, on our police and law enforcement, on you as students that your friend or from school